Hello everyone, Shane Newton here with Keller Williams, your trusted real estate consultant with over 26 years of experience in real estate consulting and corporate finance. If you need assistance with your real estate needs, please give me a call. My contact information is below. It's at the end of the video. It's also in the description. Be glad to help answer any questions that you have and help you to make the best decision for you and your family. Alright, so today is Labor Day. I hope everyone is out enjoying some sun and fun as we kind of unofficially celebrate the end of summer and get ready for fall, and which is not a bad thing in my opinion, because that means college football started and all is right with the world. So it's a good weekend for that. Hope your team did well. Alright, so let's look at what's happening in the market this week. We took a little bit of a break last week, and we'll cover some of that this week as well. All right, so if you look at the interest rates this week, again, these are from Yahoo Finance and Bankrate. They're based on the 740 credit score for the DFW Metroplex, and again, I'm not a mortgage broker. So if you look at the rates this week, the 30-year fix was at 3.03. It was at 3.06 last week, which was a bit of a jump. The prior week is at 2.99. Staying fairly steady there, though. The 15-year fix was at 2.31. It was at 2.35 last week and 2.29 the week before. The 30-year fixed on the refinance rate was 2.97, 3.02 last week and 2.95 the week before. The 15-year fixed refinance rate was at 2.29. It was at 2.33 last week and 2.27 the week before. And the 5-to-1 ARM refinance rate was at 2.75, and that's been consistent for a while. So we had a bit of a bump last week in the interest rates, but they've come back down. You can see fairly consistently they're kind of hanging right at 3%. Is basically where the interest rates are for the 30-year fixed. And I would anticipate it staying there, or around there, for a little bit at least. The Fed has indicated that they're not in a hurry to raise interest rates. They will be raising them at some point, they did announce, but they didn't specifically say it would be in the fourth quarter, which was where they were indicating they were going to earlier in the year and towards the end of last year. Looks like they may hold off on that a little bit. Because we've got different things happening in the economy, right? We have inflation going up, which usually would lead to interest rates going up. But we have the unemployment numbers that we have. So that's kind of keeping them from wanting to raise rates and put further strain on the economy. We'll see how it plays out here. I do anticipate, though, that the rates will be going up, if not here in the fourth quarter of this year, early in next year. Just at some point, they're going to have to fight off the inflation. So anyway, that's kind of where we are on the interest rates. All right, let's look at what's happening in terms of homes being sold and coming on the market. Now again, my market is Denton County. It's my main market area, and that's what these numbers are based on. So if you look at homes coming onto the market, there were 267 this last week. There were 233 last week, and the week before that it was 268. As far as coming soon, there was 47 this week, 51 last week, and 61 the week before that. In terms of homes going into contract, we were 256 this week, 259 last week, and 277 the week before that. So, looking at these numbers, we kind of had our typical dip that we normally have in August in terms of homes going active on the market. There was definitely a halt to that. You had like 291 to 268 to 233, and now back up to 267. It's a typical dip we see this time of year with school starting, people not wanting to deal with selling their house while they're in school. starting school, getting routines set up, things of that nature. That's fairly typical. But it is starting to bounce back. So here this week and next week, they should bounce up a little bit, and then there'll be the slow decline as we get towards the holidays. That's our normal business cycle in real estate. Now, in terms of the homes going into contract, those have stayed fairly steady. We had 265 4 weeks ago, 277 the week after that, 259 last week, and 256 this week. So if you look at it in terms, we had 2 weeks there where we had more homes going into contract than coming on in the market. This week we were back to where we were in a plus net number in terms of homes coming on the market as opposed to going into contract. There were 11 more coming onto the market than going into contract, and that's good. And if that's kind of what we've seen most of this summer, not huge numbers, but still more homes than going into contract, which is good for buyers. Kind of take some of that inventory pressure, lack of inventory pressure off the market, and kind of move this slowly back towards a more balanced market. That's kind of where we are. I hope you enjoyed this report, and thank you for watching this far. I do appreciate it. Again, I'm Shane Knudsen with Keller Williams, your trusted real estate consultant. Again, if you need to reach me, my contact information is at the end of the video. It's below, and it's also in the description. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button ever so gently. We would appreciate it. Helps get the video out to more people, help them to see it. Also, if you're watching this video on YouTube, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. We do a new market update every Monday. Most Mondays, we've skipped a couple, but pretty much every Monday we do a new market update. And we throw in some other videos as well around real estate or motivation topics. If you like the video, or if you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure to put those in the comments section. We really would appreciate it, and that helps get the video out to more people as well. Again, thank you very much for watching, especially on this Labor Day weekend. Hope you and your family were able to enjoy the holiday, get out, enjoy the sun and kind of the unofficial end of summer, and some time off just to relax. And I hope it turns out to be a very good week for you and your family. Thank you again for watching. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.